Holy Manuel Ali King Selassie, Rastafari, yes I. It's me once again, King Jahfire, the King of Rastafari, Rwot Pubech, Rwot Alo. Yes, this time round, I'm coming with information. This one goes direct to the president of NUP, President Oulanya, social media president. To me, BOBI is not a president. To me, Bobi Wine is a social media president. Now listen to me good. A very strong warning. In fact, you, BOBI, must apologize to the people of ACHOLI. The CMU, you organize people to go on and demonstrate against the legislator, Oulanya speaker. Now the same you coming to Facebook, the same you coming to Twitter to come and tell the people them you are sorry. Sorry for what? For the death? Are you mourning? You have to apologize to the people of ACHOLI for what you've done. Your supporters for what they've done to my brother, to what they've done to the legislator. Same person, you wanted him dead. You wanted him to come back to Uganda and die. Now, are you going to fool us? Our foolishness talk, you have to stop that. Number two, I want to warn you, Bobi Wine, you must never start a tribal war. Owindolo has talked about the stupidity of the new people trying to demonstrate against a dying man. He never abused the people of Buganda, and he never abused the Kabaka or the king of Buganda. Yes, I am. Don't force the people to worship the Kabaka of your Buganda. Never. If you're a true king, people will follow you naturally. In fact, the king that the whole world should be bowing down for is King Selassie, not the king of Buganda. So, watch out. Don't force people to worship the king of Buganda. The judiciary, the chief judge, never talked against the Kabaka of Buganda. He never mentioned anything bad. So I want to warn you, Mr. BOBI, never try to start a tribal war, because in Africa, what we need is unity. We don't need tribalism. Tribalism is a colonial legacy. Colonialism brought this divide and rule policy, dividing the people them to rule them. Yes, I am. So don't divide the people them. Don't start a tribal war, ACHOLI versus Baganda. No, BOBI. In fact, my advice to you is stop your political party as NUP. Dismantle NUP, and you have to seek for salvation. Seek for salvation instead of wasting your time in your party business. I'm not happy because of the tribal sentiments you are sending out to the people. Don't incite the Baganda against the ACHOLI. Never do that. Don't start a tribal war. I say this for God and my country. Holy Manuel Ali King Selassie,